Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Jay's Speed Shop. So real quick today, we're just going to do one more upgrade on the Grand Design Imagine. This is something that works on just about any type of camper. And it's really just to protect your appliances, hot water heat tank and furnace from getting damaged by mud wasp, those type anything that could crawl in there and make a nest. I guess even mice could probably get into some of these holes. So I'll show you real quick what we're going to install. Didn't come with any instructions, so we'll kind of figure it out as we go. But I think they're pretty simple. This is what we got. So these are little screens that are made to go over your furnace exhaust. So this is your furnace. And then we've got a bigger one that goes over the hot water tank exhaust. And the idea is that it keeps, like a mouse could get in this hole. Obviously, mud wasp could get in there, make a nest, and block off the ventilation. So we're going to figure out how to install these things. They've got like little springs. It comes with 2 per item. So give it a shot and see how they work. Okay, so to figure out how the way these things work is you got to hook these little springs through on these small ones right through the middle, someplace as close as you can to the center. This guy takes a couple tries to get the hook in there. They have a lip at the end so they don't try this side. There we go. And then what you do, they send this installation tool, which has a little groove at the end, and you take that, you go, well, this one's probably not off, probably off center a bit there, not too bad. So anyways, you go through the spring, right through the spring, and then you grab the little other side of the spring. So now you have a tool you can push out, and then you just come down here, and you push that spring out and grab the crossbars, and that's it. It just kind of self-centers over the hole. Got it? Okay, so what we did is we pre-installed the 4 springs kind of just out from the corner of each of these, the main one for going over the hot water tank vent. And then we're going to just try and hook it up there. It's going to be a little trickier because they'll get this tool placed properly on each one. I think is going to be a little more difficult, but maybe not. So again, I'm just going to go right through the middle of the spring, hook it in that groove at the end of that tool. And then we're going to go here. It's pretty difficult to see, but we're going to hook it there. Becomes a little harder with each one because it's holding it down, but just got to get that gripped on the spring. That's it, and that just kind of holds it in place. Still allows you to open your door, operate your door just like normal. And 4 springs should hold that securely in place for quite a while, and then it just keeps you won't. This one has small enough screen out, you won't have to worry about mice getting in there, but definitely small bugs and other things. This will just help to keep things out. I think it's more important on the furnace one than it is on this one, but it came as a kit. Again, came off Amazon, and no instructions, but pretty easy to install. Just hook the springs first, and then you just take this little tool and hook it right through the mesh, hook that little groove on the other side of the spring, and you can just kind of work it in there and push it on.